Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Bitcoin has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and Stochastic Rsi are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, the price rapidly went down with around 10.9% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $36,476. We can see that the sellers are taking over because the volume was high, showing that this move was strong. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 38,342. Moving to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 39,822. The ribbon is spread out, so the resistance should be strong. Moving to the hourly Stochastic Rsi, the Stochastic Rsi currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 20 SMA to the downside, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 40,985. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 41,421. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. However, as the price is far below the ribbon and shifted very quickly, we can expect a pullback or for the price to remain stable for some time before moving downwards. Moving to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are currently very low, which means that the price is oversold and a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation is to be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually change to the upside. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 43,313. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the daily ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 46,924. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. Jumping to the daily Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.